Welcome back. You are now looking at the search bar and you'll notice that we have written in Docs, and that will give us the search result, Google Docs. We're now going to start working and collaborating with documents, and we're going to do that by clicking Google Docs. And if we get this screen, we'll just click Go to Google Docs, and this will take us to our Google Docs dashboard. Now, if you go to the left side menu, you're going to notice that you can work with word processing documents, spreadsheets, and Google Slides. And we're going to take a look at all of those things. Now, the other thing that you're going to note is that in this menu is actually Google Drive, where all of the documents are housed. And we're going to be working with Google Drive in some cases. Now, when we start working with the word processing application, we'll start by clicking this blank page, and we're going to open up a new word processing document. Now, it's likely that you're already familiar with this application where you can write documents. So what we are going to do is we are going to work on collaboration. We can do that by opening a document that's already on our hard drive that we want to work with others in order to edit and perfect. So we're going to go to the File area, and then we're going to click the Open command. And that Open command is going to take us to our hard drive, and we're going to take a look at finding a document. It's going to take us to a certain screen, and we're going to click Upload. Then you'll note that you can select a file from your personal computer. Now, the first document that we're going to work with is going to be a Microsoft document, Microsoft Word, and we're going to import that document into Google Docs. And we'll just select the document from our hard drive, and then we'll click Open. Google Docs will then open the document so that we can then begin to work. Now, we can then work with others on this document by going to the Share button and writing in the names of others who can work on the document. So we're going to do that right now. Now, before we add the person, we're actually going to determine what they're going to be able to do. In this particular case, we want them to be able to have the highest amount of autonomy, which will allow them to comment and edit. So we're going to click Can Edit, and then we're going to send the invitation. You'll notice that Google Docs says that this document is shared with one person, and we can actually do that with as many people as we'd like. We can actually share it with others in order to work on the document. So now let's take a look at what this would look like from the person with whom we have shared the document. So that person will now have an invitation where they can then open the doc in their web browser. And you'll notice now that there are two individuals working on the document. Now, what we can do inside the document is we can make our own edits, and we can make them alongside of the person with whom we're working on the document with. So in this particular case, we're going to change an area here. And then we're going to write in a comment. And we're going to add in that we're changing a particular line. And once we've done that, we're just going to click Comment. And then our comment will be right where we actually made the edit. So now let's look to see what it will actually look like for the person who originally created the document. You'll notice now that the same line has been edited in the document, that the cursor where the edit is made is color-coded. It's also color-coded with the comment. And we can actually make changes ourselves. So what we're doing is we're collaborating in real time on a document or either asynchronously so that we can actually make our changes earlier in the day, and then someone can come later in the day and actually make changes, and we'll still be working on the document. So now that is basic collaboration. In the next video, we'll take a look at more advanced collaboration. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.